Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm going to share with you two business cases, one in fixed assets, another in account receivables, how to hide button using EL or expression language as a sandbox tool in Oracle Fusion or Cloud. Sandbox like personalization in Oracle e-business. Personalization means if you have business cases like hide button, make field or hide also field, make field required, make field unrequired, all of these things you can manage it through personalization in Oracle e-business version. But in Fusions you can do it through Sandbox tool. I will not tell you that I have a good experience in Oracle technical, but I have a little bit of Sandbox. So in my two business cases, it will not need technical expertise. It just like to know where is the page or where is the button, where is the field which you are going to make it hide, make it mandatory, make it not mandatory, make it displayed, make it hidden, like these cases. So what is my two business cases? In account receivables, I'm going now to hide complete button in AR transaction form. This is for specific users, but it will not be or it will be display for specific users. So I will hide this button for just specific users. But for the other users, they can see the complete button in AR create transactions. What about my business case in fixed assets? I'm going to hide close period also for specific users. And for the other users, they can see close period and they can close period during the run depreciation of fixed assets. How to achieve that to hide it for a specific user and hide for other users and vice versa? This is through Sandbox with rule. So if I go to Excel, for example, if I'm going to talking about AR, so transaction complete button, and for FA as a fixed assets cloud close period button. I think it will be the same, but it's different with a different rule and also different setup. If this is my two business cases, you can apply the same for any business cases, or you can apply the same with your business cases. Sorry. So the steps like the same. First of all, I will create a custom rule. This custom rule I will create one for example AR complete button rule and FA close period rule, because during my implement these two rule or these scenarios through Sandbox, how to make a differentiate between the users who has access or who can see this button and the other users who cannot see this button, because you will hide it for specific users and unhide for the other users. So how to achieve this approach? Through the rule. So I will create a two rule. Whatever I give this rule to specific users, they can see this button. But if the users cannot take this or not assigned to these two custom rule, he cannot see these buttons. You can achieve that in Oracle eBusiness through personalizations, or you can also custom or check the functions of the responsibility in eBusiness, but I think in Fusion until now you can achieve it through Sandbox. Maybe in the future, maybe it will be through rules, through features updated or added to the Oracle, through what's a new Oracle, which is every quarter. Once you create two custom rules, you can assign these rules to the users who will see these two buttons. For the others or the rest of the users, they will not see this button, either complete AR transaction or close period. As you see, or as you know also, that this is like a security or segregation of rules, segregation of duties or duties, that how to restrict the users don't close the period during run the depreciation, or how to also restrict the users to make a complete of the transactions until the supervisor, the section head, the team leader, whatever, to check the transaction. Then he can only, section head or team leader or whatever management level, can complete the AR. Again, whatever I will do in this video, you can apply the same in any other form for any other buttons or fields or maybe list of value, etc. So let me now create two custom rules. Let's navigate to the Oracle. I'm here in Oracle. Just go to Tools, Security Console. This is Rule, Create Rule. It is very simple rule. First of all, I will make complete. Let me complete AR button rule. I will take the same, copy here. The rule category will be common job rule. Go to next, next, that's it, next. Next. What is the users? I will add my users, or I have another users, DG users. Okay, I will add tax people. This is one of the users. I will assign this rule to these users. Okay, so tax people user, I am assigned to this. What does it mean? If the tax people login after I complete the setup of the sandbox, he can only see the complete AR button. But for this AG admin, which I login it now currently, if he login or he can try to create AR transactions, he will not see complete AR button. As I told you, I will create a custom rule and assign it to specific users. In my business case, these business users only can see the complete AR button, but for the rest of the users or the other users cannot see complete AR button. Next, save and close. Let me take it as a copy. Control C. I have any notepad because this is my security console. I will put one here. This is the rule of AR. save and close. The same I will do it for FA. Create a rule. What is the rule name? I will make close period FA, sorry, button. Again copy, sorry, here common job rule, common job rules. Next, 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 next. Who's the users? The same users, tax people, tax people, assign. Okay, again, only tax peoples can see the close period button FA. What about the other users or the rest of the users cannot see close period FA button during run depreciation? Like AG, this is my as AG admin is not assigned to either close period or complete AR button. So these users cannot see close period or complete button. Again, take it copy, because you will put it in the sandbox formula or function or whatever. Next, save and close. So what I did now, I create two custom rules and I assign the users to the custom rules. What is the third step? Like create two sandbox to achieve the solution to hide two buttons. This, I think it's done. Assign, I assigned during create the custom rule, I assigned already. Now we are going to create a sandbox. Create sandbox, as I told you, it's no need to expertise in a technical knowledge or technical experience. It's just small things you can achieve these solutions through sandbox. Let's navigate to the Oracle. Now I will start by AR complete button. Just go to receivables, billing, create transactions. As you see, complete button can only appear here or display after you make a save for some transactions. So before of that, sorry, I didn't create sandbox. So you have first create two sandbox, one sandbox for AR, another sandbox for FA. From configuration, go to sandbox, create sandbox, just write here complete AR button, for example AG, and choose all of these tools. These tools, I am not a technical, but it will give you the manage or the edit the page. The most important of it, this page composer. Page composer, it will give you the ability to hide, to display, to make required, fill this button, all of these. Create sandbox, create and enter. It must populate up here. That's it. Go to receivables. What I did, I just create a sandbox. I select all of the tools. You can select only page composer, but to be in safe side, select all of the tools. Go to receivables, billing, try to create a new transactions. Because the button which you are going to hide is still not display. So I will try to create a new transactions because my button only display after I make a save. So I will enter any dummy data for the transactions, select the date, customer, locations, memo line, all of these required data. What is the memo line? What is the quantity? What is the unit price? That's it. Save. Once you saved, the complete button will be appear, right? It takes some seconds. Now it's appear, right? I'm going to hide this button. First, create Sandbox, create and enter Sandbox. Make a save because my button display only after I make a save. Then go to here, your username, select edit page. First of all, you have to ensure that the edit layer side. Ensure that, I think it's by default, or the first option is side. Then go to structure. Then once you select the structure, it will be like this blocks in blue. Which button or which field or which data or you are going to make an adjustment, I'm going to hide complete. Just come to complete like this and press click this. It will ask you, are you going to edit? Once you click edit, just go to down. You will see here, go to up. It will give you which button or which field you selected. Yes, I selected complete and create. I just increase this. Then go to properties and go to down. There is one visible option. In these visible options, it's tell you that this complete button by default it's visible for all users who create the AR transactions. In this button, just click on this expression builder and put your expression. These expressions, to be honestly with you, I take it from Oracle document, but I adjust it to put my custom rule. Where it is here, I take it this. I will also put it in the video descriptions to try it. That's it. Yes. Here, securityContext.userInRole, so it will be visible to only the users who have rule. Which rule? I am going to remove this and put my custom rule. Where is the custom rule? If AR complete AR button rule. Come here, delete between two single practice, Control V. So what does it mean? That this will be visible for only users have or has complete AR button rule. The other approach, you can say I need to make the vice versa of that. So if you put this mark before it, so you will tell the system that it will be visible for all users which don't have access to AR complete button. Because you have two scenarios. Either assign this rule to all, or what does it mean? That I have managers and users. Are you going to assign this rule to all of the users to hide this button, or you just need to assign this rule to 2 or 3 managers? In my case, this approach will be good, because what? For that I just assign here, or I put it, the users must have complete AR button rule. That means I will assign this rule only to the 2 or 3 managers. But if I put here this mark, which is like not, so in this case I have to assign these rules to all of the users, because in this case I told the system it must be not like AR complete button, must be not equal AR complete button, means that I have to assign in this case this rule, my custom rule, to all of the users, which I need to hide this button for them. But this is the better. Whatever users have access to this, show to him complete button. If the users don't have access to AR complete button, don't show the AR complete button. I hope now to got what I mean. That's it. Security context user enroll, your custom rule. Just test. It will give you either false or true. Okay. That's it. Yes, that's it. Go to up or down, apply. Okay. Go to close. Now you will publish the AR complete button. Now notice that the AR complete button is hide. Why? Because AG admin is not assigned to my custom rule, so the button is hide once I apply this sandbox. I will publish. Okay. Yes, it will give you that you not saved any and publish. Yes. It's publishing in process. Published. Done. So before I assign this rule to what? To tax people man, right? This custom rule I assigned to tax, I assigned to tax people user, right? So only tax people can see the AR complete button. But what about my current AG admin user? He will not see AR complete button. Here, this is AG. I will log out, sign out, confirm. Again, I will go or log in by AG admin. AG admin will see or not see? Will not see AR complete button. Sign in. Go to receivables, billing. I will create a new transactions. Create transactions. What is the business unit? What is the transaction source? What is the customer? What is the date? What is the memo line or sales order line item? All of go to memo line. What is the memo line? What is the quantity? What is the unit price? Save. Once I saved, by logic, if your sandbox implemented successfully, it will not show the complete button. Why? Because I said in sandbox only who have access to AR custom AR button rule. Now it's not showing. Why? Because these users don't have access to my custom rules, which is applied for sandbox. Now I will log out and log in by tax people. tax peoples have access to complete button rule, right? Tax people, I will log in. Again, go to receivables and try to create transactions to check the button. Billing, add here tax people. Go to receivables, create transactions. Again, what is the business unit? What is the transaction source, type, date, customer. December to what is customer. Again, memo line, quantity, unit price. Once I save now, it must show the AR complete button. Now it's showing. Why? Because the tax people user have access to complete AR button rule. I hope now to got it the first business case of AR complete button. Now I will log out and yes, and login by AG admin to go to the second business case, close period FA. So what I did, I create custom rule. Sorry. Create custom rule assigned user to the rule. Create sandbox. Booted my expression condition, published sandbox, try to check the result. I create custom rule, assign the rule, create sandbox, put my expression conditions in the form, published, try to check the result. Again, I will do the same for FA close period. Go to here, create a custom rule. Before of that, custom sandbox. I think I create this rule and also I assign to whom, to the tax people. So come here, go to down, configuration, sandbox, create sandbox, close period, FA sandbox. Again, select all of the tools. The most important is page composer, this one, to allow you to edit the page, this one. Create and enter. The same approach you will follow for any business case. Again, go to close period in FA. Just select fixed assets. Here, assets, it will give you depreciation. If you click here, it will give you the option to calculate or close. Now close period is appear for AG admin because you still not put the expression language as a conditions and also you not published the sandbox. So what I will do now, again go to edit page. You have to create and enter sandbox first before edit, because without sandbox you cannot edit the page. Structure, it will give you this blue label. I am just click create here. Once this showing, just click on it, edit, go to down, up this and select close period. Come here, click. That's it. Come here and go to again visible to, it will give you here as close period. So I will click here visible expression builder here to ensure that you select the proper button or field. What's your expression? Like this one, the same, you just put the new rule of the close period. Again, delete all of this, Control V, test, false, okay, go to down, apply, okay, close, I just make refresh. Maybe it's hanging. Okay, no problem. I will log out and log in one more time, confirm, sign in. This sandbox, go to, just click close. I just go to fixed assets and go to run depreciation. This now it's hidden before, so it means that your expression is booted and you can now publish this sandbox. Come here, publish, yes, publish, yes. So again, I assigned only one users as a tax people. Now for the published, you will find that my FA is published. Done. Go to home. Again, AG admin not assigned to the close period FA rule, right? So go to assets, try to run depreciation and the close period. You will not find the close period if you log in by tax people. So I will log out from AG admin and try to log in by tax peoples who have access to FA close period. Tax people, sign in, go to assets, try to again run depreciation and check close period is there or not. Close period is appear here for the tax peoples because I assigned the custom FA close period to the tax people only. This is my two business cases. Last thing here for the sandbox, first of all you have to, maybe it's once you did it, it's not succeeded, you have try and try and try. Second thing, if you create one of sandbox like what I did now and you published, how to retrieve whatever you did it, you cannot through sandbox. If you published sandbox, you cannot unpublish it again. So what is the solution there? You have to create a new sandbox which is make the vice versa of the first one. For example, I created now Sandbox to hide AR button. How and published. How I roll back of this. I will create a new sandbox like a reverse, and again go to button and edit page and structure and make the button is visible for all without any expression language, and also published the reverse sandbox. This is the only way to retrieve everything like before. I hope now to got something or a little bit about Sandbox. Thanks for watching.